Welcome to Inspire tutorial. Today we discuss about distance and displacement from this chapter motion from class 9 physics. Say for example there is a car at point A and it travels towards east and reaches a point B, and then from this point B the car travels towards north and it reaches a point C. Now if the distance is to be found, then the distance will be equal to the length of the path that the car traveled. So now the car traveled from A to B and then B to C. So the distance or the length of the total path will be AB plus BC, right? So this will be the distance covered by that car. But when we talk about the displacement is nothing but the shortest distance between the starting and the ending point. So here the starting point is A and the ending point is C. So the distance between, or the shortest distance between these 2 points, that is A and C, will be the displacement. So displacement in this case will be AC. Now when you take the distance is a scalar quantity, but displacement is a vector quantity. The reason is the distance has only the magnitude. See for example in this case the magnitude of the distance will be AB plus BC, but it does not have a particular direction. Okay, so first we take direction towards east and then it towards north. So there is no particular direction for this physical quantity, that is distance, but it has magnitude. So it can be a scalar quantity, but it is not a vector quantity. But when you come to displacement has both a magnitude and the direction. So here the displacement of this path or the displacement is AC, and it is a particular direction. It is from A to C, that is it is towards northeast. So here we can say this displacement has some magnitude, at the same time the displacement has a direction. So hence we can call displacement as a vector quantity. So when you represent a vector quantity, we represent within directed line segment. So here this part is called head and this part is called tail, and this head represents the direction of the quantity or the physical quantity, and the length of this tail will indicate the magnitude of that physical quantity. So this is the difference between distance and displacement.